Once they're scheduled, open houses must happen rain or shine, so be ready. Follow these tips. Send a reminder to your invitees. Arrive early and review the property as though you were a guest. Check the curb appeal. Make sure the walk is shoveled in the winter and that the flowers look beautiful in summer. Take a last look at every space, making sure that everything is as clean and appealing as possible. Turn on every light. Set up a sign-in area. Catch your visitors right when they come in with a little display prompting them to sign in. You'll want to collect their name, address, phone number, and information on how they learned about the open house, when they plan to move, and who their agent is if they have one. Use a tablet for easy record keeping. Everyone goes into the database. Prepare and set out refreshments. Don't just throw out a box of cookies on the counter. Even if your refreshments are modest, take the time to arrange them and make them as appealing as possible. Place your signage strategically. Make it easy for people to find you by placing directional signs in the neighborhood, including at the nearest intersections.